Welcome to LEAP 2022. I'm so excited to have an opportunity to address all of you today. As CEO of Neyom Tech and Digital, we made a commitment, and that commitment was to continue to further the vision of building the world's first cognitive city here in Saudi Arabia. To that end, in 2022 alone, we will invest $1 billion in the development of AI-enabled products and services to further that vision. When people ask me, what is the difference between a smart city and a cognitive one? The question always centers around technology. And we like to point out that in smart cities, they leverage only 5% of the data they produce, while in a cognitive city, we leverage 95% of that data. But the true difference lies in our ability for a cognitive city to be human-centric. That means if you want to capture all that data, what must you have? You must have trust. For you see, if our enterprises, if our customers, if our citizens don't trust us, we can't capture the data. And without data, there is no value. This is the great privacy paradox that is facing the world today. 80% of us are more and more concerned about our data and how it's being used, but yet, in this day and age, we give more and more and more of that data away. If you thought of your data experience like an iceberg, when you go to a very famous site and you click yes, you want to enjoy it, and you authorize that site to have your data, what you don't see is what's below that iceberg. What you don't see is the 400 sites that you've given your data permission to those sites to do with as they please. We're super excited and proud to announce the world's first data consent management platform, MELD. MELD, very simply put, allows you as citizens, you as enterprises, you as communities, to take control back of your data and restores trust in a data economy. It does this by providing basically three core elements. The first is it allows you to understand who has your data and what are they using it for. Secondly, it provides you with a marketplace to begin to understand and be incentivized to use that data, to opt in or opt out of that ultimate experience. And thirdly, no more looking around 100 sites trying to figure out what your preferences are. It allows you in a single location, using artificial intelligence with recommendations, to set your privacy parameters so that they can be replicated across all of your sites. So fundamentally, MELD will restore trust to the data economy. We're super excited about MELD. But if we stop that trust, that wouldn't get us all the way. Your Excellency talked about the changes that COVID and Omicron has created in today's environment. It's accelerated us into the world of digital. I have a nephew. His name is Malcolm. He's 6 years old. And he was so excited because he got a chance to spend 2 days with his Uncle Jojo. That's what he calls me, Uncle Jojo. What I didn't realize is my sister didn't tell me that one of those days he had to go to school. Now, what's the problem with that? Well, the issue is you try to keep a 6-year-old kid occupied for 4 hours via a TV monitor screen over a teleconference trying to understand a teacher and 7 other classmates. We have fallen short of our dream and vision around digitization. We've fallen short of that. But no more. We have the ability to take what is physical and turn it into what is digital. And we have the ability to turn what is digital into what is physical and fundamentally create new experiences that have never been seen before. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Xverse.
Come on a voyage of discovery to a world of cognitive mixed reality, where life integrates seamlessly across the physical and virtual to optimize how we live, work, and play. A revolutionary urban living model with state-of-the-art city infrastructure and an advanced cognitive digital twin. Unique digital human transitions and multiple customizable virtual and real experiences. Augmented cognitive virtual environments, and a digital to real-world asset ownership and monetization opportunities. Extend your life beyond the reaches of merely the physical, for a way of life enriched like no other. Curate your new cognitive reality. Neyom Tech and Digital, virtualizing the real and realizing the virtual.
Xverse represents the world's truly first metaverse. Not just a digital world, but a platform that allows us to be able to mirror the physical world and enhance its very capabilities. Xverse will allow us to fundamentally create digital twins, the ability to take a physical object and turn it into a digital object. It allows us the ability to be able to transform from an experience in the physical world and to appear as a hologram in the digital world. It allows us the ability to be able to take those digital assets and be able to monetize them in a way that we have not seen previously before. Today, within Neyom and the kingdom is a great day. It's a day of action. We are moving away from visions and dreams into realities and action plans. We are changing our vocabulary from rethinking to now recreating and executing the art of the possible. Thank you very much.